guys, and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at this, which is the Dark Energy Creations second Dr. Sonic pen light. And yeah, so from the War Games, essentially what this is pretty much a pen light really. So you can tell it's probably going to be a short video, but at the same time still be cool to look at. So starting from the bottom here, we've got the accurate white button with the nice sort of, don't know what kind of blue, I don't know what kind of blue you'd call that, but yeah, like a baby blue. Then we've got the pen clip here. If it'll focus, hopefully it will. Yeah, there, as you can see. Then we go down and you can see the emitter there sticking out. Now when we press this white button, it lights up. So yeah, there you go. We're undoing screws now. So yeah, it's quite cool. The batteries aren't the best, to be honest, I will say. The batteries aren't very good, but they'll do for now anyway, until I can get some more. But that's why it's not really that bright at the moment, because they're not very powerful batteries. But I will get round to putting some powerful batteries in there. But essentially, yeah, it's pretty cool. I have, so that's about, I think it worked out about £90 with shipping and stuff. So that's £90, which I was kind of gritting my teeth over for a long time. Now we have this, which is 99 pence. Or at least I think they used to be, they're not now, but they were. This is essentially the same thing. Similar size, just this one's a bit longer because of the white tip there. But essentially, and of course the tips as well here. I'll let you work out which one's the accurate one. But yeah, so, you know, this one doesn't have batteries in, so I can't show you, but I think this one is actually a white LED, whereas this might even be that might even be a bulb. That could well be a bulb, actually. I'm not entirely sure, but that is the official one. As I said, about £90. Worth it. Should you buy it? I think you should, if you want accurate classic era Sonics. That's just my personal opinion. We'll do a size comparison, because I feel that might well be needed. So here we have the Pertwee 1, the Dr. Sonic by RB Replicas. I'll point the camera up in a minute so you can see the difference. Then we've got the RB's Weathered 4th. and RB's 8th. An RB Replicas War with an LED. Call back to the that's kind of a call back to the second Doctor's pen light. Then we have this one, Roberta Replicas 11th version 2 with lights and sounds. So, as we can see from the comparison, they're pretty much lined up there to the accurate point. As you can see, it dwarfs it really. Now, take this off. As you can see, absolutely dwarfs it. And that one as well, that one's even worse. So, yeah, so as you can see there, it's probably the smallest one that they've ever done. But, yes, I did say this was going to be a short video, but it never is, because I always add the other Sonics in. So yeah, that's the newest one to my collection so far. The ones that I'm getting next is basically going to be a little bit of an interesting one. I'm obviously getting my 5th Doctor Sonic's being sent back to have a little upgrade, and then I'll be getting a Pertwee 2 as well, so Pertwee 2, yeah, to go with the Pertwee 1, which is right there. So that is pretty much it for the 2nd Doctor Sonic pen light by Dark Energy Creations. I'm super glad to have one in my collection, to be honest with you, because this particular one had sold out. It's a particular model with the white button, but I managed to order the other one with the blue button, and I asked him at Dark Energy if he would give me one with the white button, because that is accurate to the 2nd Doctor, whereas the blue button one, I've been told, and again, don't get me wrong, I'm not entirely savvy with the classic era Sonics, but I've been told that the blue button one was actually just a pen light that the 3rd Doctor used, that Pertwee used. He didn't use it as a Sonic, he used it as a normal pen light. Yeah, the batteries are going. And also, as well, I've been made aware that this was actually customised, because the original Ever Ready pen lights had the blue cap. So yeah, this is cool, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. So yeah, but please again let me know in the comments down below if you like this Sonic. I actually do. I think it's actually a pretty cool Sonic, to be fair. I do like the other model where you can click the light with the pin hit with the clip here, but no, the accurate way, of course, is the back button. So there you go. That's the 2nd Doctor's sonic screwdriver. Well, his main one anyway. He did have a few others on the way. He did have a few others, but this is the one I consider as his Sonic anyway, because it's the one that looks the most like a Sonic. But yeah, so that is the Sonics, or that Sonic. And as always in my videos, better do it with this hand. Give it a spin. And I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later, guys. Doctor's Props out. Bye.